Hi, this is Jennifer Davis, the Enchanted Rose Concierge, and thank you for watching my video on mobile food ordering through your My Disney Experience app. To begin, open up your My Disney Experience app on your mobile device and click the bottom plus symbol, which will bring up another menu. Click Order Food, and then choose the arrival window at the restaurant location of your choice. Click the See All categories to see any food allergy menu items that you may be looking for. Select the items that you wish to order, and then you can go down to the bottom and you can customize your selection, adding cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, onions, things like this to your order. Add those items to your order, and then go through for each entree and select and choose Customize for every individual in your party. When you're finished customizing each selection, add those to your order. Don't forget to search all of the options, desserts, beverages, things like this. To add beverages, you'll click on the beverage, the size that you're looking for, and then also the drink that you want. Add each one of those to your mobile order. When you've finished your selections, view My Order, which will take you to a summary page. Review your order, and then again, choose the Review Order Summary. This page will give you the finalization of your order, where you can choose how you're going to pay for your order, if you're going to use a Disney gift card, credit card, or the debit or credit card you have already on file. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me at jenniferdavis@smartmomstravelagents.com.